Here are Synergy, Samsung, and Mitsubishi electric air conditioners running. That one's the Solar Heart water heater, and I'm glad to see that running because I have seen it running. And there's the Mitsubishi electric StormX air conditioner, and the Synergy water heater, like a air conditioner. Looks like an air conditioner because it has blades in it. It's got a reciprocating compressor. Here are the rest of the units. Oh well, that one there's not running. There's more over there. So I'm sorry, there's soap there. Okay. Well, so all of them are running. There's the Samsung. It's from both up there are from 2001. They're both running, and I'm glad to see that running because I will ever see what the Samsung looks like. Okay, that one that does have a reciprocating compressor, and they both have Copeland scrolls in it. I'm sorry, I almost fell. I don't know how many tons they are. So tell me in the comments how many tons they are. But so I don't get them incorrect. I got new shoes. We just moved here in Singapore, Asia. It's very nice. Then all of them are running. That I said. Because I never seen that running again. It does run a lot. Then there's another Samsung up there. One up there. There's a Daikin multi-inverter right there. It's not running. That's not running. And here are some of these side. There. There's a Fujitsu and a Mitsubishi Electric. Lots of hot weather here. I'm so glad to see. Go here. So all of them are running. Well, thank you for watching. Plenty of videos of air conditioners. When I moved here, Samsung Mini Split and Mitsubishi Electric StormX air conditioner. I don't know why it's dripping right now. There's a lot of soap. Thank you for watching. And there's one up there. Right up there. Come on, focus it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.